Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to build a modern banking website. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel or you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Prince. I build website and apps. I come right here and show you guys how to do the same. So guys, let's get to this video. So guys, here is the demo of what we're going to be achieving in this video. And right here, we have the home page. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please share so much to subscribe. Like this video and share before watching this video. So right here we have the front end interface of this project. Over here we have the home page about our services, ATM location, insurance, FAQ. So right here we have the bank name, and here we have a very clean front end about us. Right here we have bank online, manage your money. Right here we have bank milestone. Right here we have mobile bank. This is basically the bank name. So over here we have customer support and the footer. So right here we have the about us. Once I click the about us page, it opens the about us page section. And one cool fact is the site loads really fast. So right here we have the about us at intercity who we are, and over here we have the footer. So right here we have our services, FAQ, and customer login. So without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and see how account creation works and how the user's dashboard looks. Basically, just going to go ahead and click not registered for online banking, and then it's going to open an interface where I can go ahead and fill in my details. So I won't be doing this because I already have an account already, so I won't have duplicate accounts. Just going to go ahead and then log into my account and then get started. So I'm going to go here right here and put in my email address, and then that is my user ID, and then go ahead and log into my account. So guys, right here it says pin successfully verified. So basically, I'm just going to carry you guys through the process which I followed to log into this account. So here we have the user's dashboard. I'll just go ahead and then log out and then log in. Then I'm just going to go ahead and click sign in. And then I'm going to be asked for my OTP code. It says username not correct. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in my details here. New password, right? Sign in, pin. Go ahead and click on verify pin. Pin successfully verified. And right here, I'm back to my user's dashboard. Great, guys. So we have this simple and clean user's dashboard where we have this internet banking here. Help you proceed. Welcome to the name of the bank, last login. And the fun fact about this project is your website details, your logo can be directly edited from the admin. So right here we have available balance. Right here we have sign out, transfer, more. Right here we have help bank their future and so on. So this looks like a very real and legit banking. So right here we have account details, and this is basically a preview interface of the account details. Here we have account holder, JSON, and so on. Right here we have the account summary, and this is basically statement and transaction which are performed first. Right here we have international transfer. So on the international transfer, we're just going to go ahead and put in the receiver bank, right? Let's say if the receiver bank is Chase Bank. Over here, the bank address. I'm just going to put in a bank address. Over here, we have receiver name. Right here, we have account number. We have routing number. Then an amount we want to transfer. I'm just going to put 1,000. So right, so right here, I'm done filling in my transaction details. I'll just go ahead and click on transfer. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in my account password. Then I'm going to click on transfer. So right here, I'm just going to put in my TS code and then I'll click on next. It says, congratulations, you successfully entered all the valid code. You're now ready to proceed with your transfer. I'm just going to click on transfer now, and my transaction receipt will be printed. So right here, I have my transaction receipt, transfer successful, amounts sender details paid on, and then I have print receipts. This automatically prints my receipts, which I can be able to send to whoever I want to send it to. Please guys, kindly know that this video is being created for educational purpose only. So right here, I'm just going to click on OK, and right here we have the account details, account summary. We have so right here we have bank transfer, and on this interface, this allows you to be able to transfer money from one bank to another. So right here we have receiver bank, bank address, receivers names, and so on. And then we have bank account number, SWIFT amount, let's say 1,000, and surely the same process. Once you click on transfer, it will ask you for your account password, and this is your transaction summary. Once we insert our transaction password, then we'll be able to perform our transaction. So right here we have transfer history, and this basically is all the transfer which we've done. And this is the recent one, Chase Bank amount $1,000, status is pending. And this is because the admin has to approve this transaction after a transaction is done. Right here we have support, we have send chat, we have ATM card. We are going to be exploring all these features in this video. So right here we have the support, we have the send chat. So right here we have the support, we have the send chat, we have the ATM card. So under the ATM card, we have the debit card, which was automatically generated with my number. So under the ATM card, we have a debit card which was automatically generated with numbers, and then we have the bank logo. This looks really, really legit. And right here we have the Visa Jason Smith, valid through till 2028. So right here we have the transaction pin. So this is basically an interface whereby a user can be able to set up a transaction pin. And right here we have account password and logout. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and explore how the admin dashboard looks like. I'm just going to go ahead and then log into the admin dashboard. So here's the direct link to access the admin dashboard. I'm just going to hit enter, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put in my admin ID, and then go ahead and insert my password, and then I'm going to click on login. So right here I have access to the admin dashboard, which looks very, very clean and simple. Over here we have 8 customers, total saved, WhatsApp messages. So right here we have create accounts. So under the create account, admin can be able to set up a new account directly from the admin dashboard. So right here we have manage customer. So right here an admin can be able to manage customer. So to be able to see more, click more. And then right here it's going to bring more details about the customer. And then we have delete account, edit account, unapprove account. So I'm just going to click on edit account. So right here under edit account, you can change users details. You can also set account status to active or inactive, right? Right here we have account type. You can decide to change it. So I'm just going to go ahead and then go back. So this is unapproved account, and the account will not. So right here we have unapproved account. This is basically in order to set an account unapproved. So right here we have pending transfer. So let's go ahead and then approve that transaction which we did, which is this Chase Bank. Then I'm just going to go ahead and approve. And then we can also go ahead and then backdate this transfer. Let's say we can just go ahead and put fourth, and then go ahead and then put a time, and then go ahead and update. So I'm just going to leave that, and then just go ahead and approve the account. And definitely the user will get an email notification that the transaction has been approved. So great. So right here we have view all transfers, and basically these are all our successfully transfer. So basically these are all successful transfer on this system. So basically this is the one we recently did, John Chase Bank 7 summer $1,000. So here we have created an account. So on this interface you can go ahead to credit a user account. So let's say, for instance, I want to credit Justin Smith, right? I'm just going to go ahead and click on credit an account and put in an amount I want to credit, and then go ahead and then choose a date which this account was credited and go ahead and credit. So automatically this account will be credited with the amount which I just credited it. So I'm just going to go ahead and locate this Johnson and go ahead and click more. And let's see if we have the account balance updated. So right here we have 92,892. So definitely we have the account number successfully so definitely we have the balance successfully updated with the new amount which we credited. So right here we have debit account. So we can go so under the debit account, an account can directly be debited with an amount which is being inserted. So right here we have debit account and I just clicked on it. So right here we have debit and then go ahead and then put in the amount you want to debit and debit the user. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this right now. And over here we have transfer code. So under the transfer codes, we have COT, we have IMF, we have activation code, tax code, and so on. So you can turn on and turn off whichever one is not important. So right here we have the bank settings, and this is basically where the real deal is. This is basically whereby you can set up your bank name, your bank official email, your official phone number, and the currency you want your bank to be on, and go ahead and then update the system. So right here we have the admin password and so on. So guys, this is basically how the user and the admin um, dashboard of this project looks like. So I know the question on your mind is, how do I design banking project just like this? As I promised in this video, I'll be leaving no stone unturned in this video. I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to build an advanced banking website just like this. I'll advise you to stick to this video. Kindly make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video, and share so other people can benefit from this video you're watching. So the first thing you need is to have a domain and an hosting. So a domain is basically a URL which people are going to be using to access your site, and then an hosting is where you are hosting your file. You need the storage to be able to host your file on the cloud, that is on the internet. So if you have all these, then we can proceed. And if you're looking for a legit platform to get a hosting and domain, I also provide that service whereby I can help you purchase domain and hosting from one of the best platform I use. And I will go ahead and then create a subdomain. So to be able to create a subdomain, I'll come here and then write subdomain. So here we have domains. Another subdomain, I'm just going to go ahead and put in the subdomain which I want to create. But if you have a fresh cPanel which you've not hosted any site on, you can just go ahead and upload the file on your public underscore HTML. So I'll just go ahead and then give this subdomain, let's say chase, or let's say new bk dots. I'm going to put in the subdomain, right? And then I'm just going to go ahead and then paste right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click submit, and then the subdomain will be created, which I'll be using to build this project. So I'm just going to come over to the cPanel and go over to file manager. And then under file manager, I'm just going to locate the subdomain which I just created, which is this new bk dot the domain. And then I'm just going to go ahead and upload. So right now I'm going to upload the script for this project. So in a few seconds, we should have the script successfully uploaded. Great. So we have our script successfully uploaded. Right now, I'm just going to go ahead and reload. And then I'm just going to go ahead and extract. Right click and then click extract. We're going to extract it in this folder, right? And then after the extract is successfully done, I'm just going to go ahead and click close and then refresh to be sure that I have all details in one directory, right? So right now we have the database, we have files, we have images, we have logo. So right here we have logins, we have send email, and so on, right? So over here, I'm just going to go ahead and then open the database, and right here we have the database file. I'm just going to go ahead and click download. This is the first step which I'm following. First of all, download the database, and then I'm just going to go back. So right here we have logo. So definitely I must have an existing logo which I'm going to be using for my project so that I can just be able to like save it and then upload it in my project, right? So to be able to upload your logo, so what you just need to do is to, let's say for instance, this is the site which we established, this is the site which we built, right? I'm just going to head up to the home page, right? And then hit enter. So I'm just going to right click and then click copy link address, come over here and then paste. Copy image address, right? And then I'm just going to come over here and then paste. And it says we have a logo at assets images poppo.png, right? So assets images. I'm just going to locate the name, which is this. So all you just need to do is to delete and then rename whichever one you're uploading to this, and your logo will be updated successfully. Great, guys. So the next step we're going to go ahead and do is to go ahead and then set up our database, right? So we need to set up a database. Just come over to your cPanel search and then type MySQL database wizard and then hit enter. So you're going to be giving your database a name. I'm just going to give it new BK, right? Since that is the name we give our subdomain, I'm just going to go ahead and copy and then paste this over here. Control A, Control C, Control Z. I'm going to go ahead and click on next step. And right here, I'm just going to go ahead and paste this and then edit. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste my password, confirm password, and go ahead and create users. So a user account will be created with this database. I just go ahead and assign all privileges and then go ahead and click make changes. So we've successfully been able to create our database. The next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and upload our database to our database which we just created. I'm just going to go ahead and search for phpMyAdmin, hit enter. So we'll be able to upload our database on this interface, right? I'm just going to select the new database which I just created and then click on import to be able to import the database, and then I'm just going to click on choose file. So I'll go ahead and select the database and then scroll down and then click import. So my database has successfully been imported. And then as you can see, we have account master, account administrator. I'm just going to click on administrator. And right here we have our admin details. You can just go ahead and change the password to whatever password you want to use to access your admin. And right here we have admin, that is the username. You can change to whatever you want to change it to. So I'm just going to go back and then go ahead and connect my database with my project. So to be able to connect the database with the project, the first thing I'm just going to do is to come over to users, and then under users, you'll find config, right? So under for config, you'll find the config.php. Go ahead and then edit this file and then click edit. So you'll find where you can insert your database details. Here we have global 39 underscore link. I'm just going to go ahead and then paste this, right? And then I can also paste this here. I can also go ahead and paste this here, right here to so first of all, I observe that I'm in the wrong folder. I'm not just going to make edit to this. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back and then make sure I'm on the right folder, right? So I'm just going to make sure I'm on the right folder. I'm just going to go back, right? So I'm just going to go to my subdomain which I just created, go to users and then go to config. So under config, I'm just going to go to the config and then click edit and then go ahead and edit. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and put in this, and then I'm going to put this as my password, and then also this as my database name, which was what we've set. And then I'll go ahead and click on save changes, and I'm going to click on close. So our database details have successfully been set, and we are good to go, right? I'm just going to click on go back, come over to the main folder. I'm just going to click this and click go, right? So I'm just going to scroll down. And right here we have the index.html, we have the header. So to be able to edit your header, just go ahead and right click and edit. And then right here, click edit to be able to edit details of your header. So right here we have settings.php, which shows that your site title and every details will be directly gotten from the details which you provided from the admin dashboard. So, which means once you load your website and you log into your admin dashboard, you can be able to set your website's name. So basically, after your database has been set up and then you're done linking your database to the project, you just go ahead and then refresh your website. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this link, but make sure that whatsoever email you're going to be linking to your website on your admin dashboard, this is what I mean. Let's go back to our admin dashboard, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and click on back settings, right? So whatsoever details you're linking here, that is the support at whatsoever or your domain.com, make sure you have created the email on your cPanel. So to be able to create an email on your cPanel, you just come over here and then type email account and you'll be allowed to create a new email. So let's just go ahead and then refresh our new website which we just built, or let's go ahead and load the new website which we just built. I'm just going to go ahead and hit enter. So guys, great. So we have our website loaded successfully with home, about, our services, ATM location, open account. Once I click on open account, it leads me to the sign up.html page. Then I'm just going to go ahead and then locate this, come to the users and then locate sign up.php. So under users, I'm just going to come over to customers and then I'm going to locate the sign up.php. I'm just going to go ahead and click edit and then click edit. Just going to go ahead and scroll down. So basically under the sign up.php, I'm just checking if there's anything to edit, but we do not have anything to edit, so we are good. So so this is how the sign up page looks like, which is exactly like the demo which we showed. So this is basically how to build a banking project just like this. So right here, if you notice this chat button just come up. So if you want to basically include your chats on your website, you can just go ahead and then sign up with SmartSub, chat, or whatever platform you find convenient, and then go to the header.php and insert the code which you'll be given while creating an account. So this is basically the end of this video. If you want to get the script used in this project, kindly check the description of this video. You'll find our WhatsApp link, also our contact. You can reach out to our customer support and request for the script. So guys, if you know you enjoyed this video, please kindly make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from this video. Until I see you again, keep grinding. Bye for now.